What's up, comrades? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple and easy pluck sound using Podolski by U-he and Valhalla Supermassive. The links for those plugins will be down in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the oscillator section, we're going to go over to the wave warp. We're just going to turn it up just a little bit right here. Then moving over to the envelope section, we're going to have to make sure the attack is all the way down. We can go ahead and bring the decay down. We can also bring the sustain down as well. And the release can go up a little bit. Sounds something like this. Next, moving on to the filter section. We're going to go ahead and use a low pass filter, and we're just going to modulate the envelope. Turn up the modulation amount a little bit. We're going to turn the cutoff down as well. Lastly, we're going to go over to the delay section. For the sync left and right, we're going to choose 164. Then we can turn the mix up a little bit. Next, we're going to add the reverb. We're going to open up Valhalla Supermassive. We're going to go over to the preset section. We're going to select the C-beams preset. Now you can automate the cutoff, and it just sounds something like this. And that's basically how you get the sound. For more tutorials, feel free to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave requests for tutorials that you would like to see in the comment section. Until next time.